Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix Tinder messages not sending problem. So let's get started. For that, make sure you have the good internet connection or your mobile data. And if you do have it and yet you are not able to send it, you can get into Play Store, search for Tinder, and make sure you have the updated version of Tinder. If you can see the update button over here, simply tap on this to update it and try sending the message. If it does not work yet, what we can do is simply get into any browser and search for Tinder support and click on submit a request. See here, we need to share our problem that a feature is not working. Now scroll down and here we need to write our details, that is email address, phone number, and the detail of your problem description, and you can also attach a file of your messages not sending, and your problem will finally be fixed by Tinder support. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.